I realized I've been a sucker for Xiaomi products. They have been delivering very good quality, designs, and yet very affordable prices. So here I am, sharing just 3 of the many Xiaomi products that I have in my study room. And you would probably not have thought that a brand like Xiaomi will have. First on the list is a humidity sensor that also acts as a digital clock on my desk. It displays the time, temperature, and humidity. This sensor can also be connected to Xiaomi's app. Humidity is actually one of the key factors that affects the actual temperature you're feeling right now. And managing the humidity helps keep your appliance in good condition. So keeping it in check is always a good thing. And next, I've got a wireless keyboard and mouse set that fits nicely on my desktop setup. It's connected via USB and I got it at around $20 from Taobao. I like that the keyboard is sleek and feels pretty decent for the price I paid. I think it sounds pretty good. Here's the last item that you would probably never have thought of. Xiaomi's ink pen. I know it sounds funny that Xiaomi has their own pen, but it surprisingly turns out to be pretty okay. The pen looks slick and the ink flow is pretty smooth. What I don't really like is that it weighs very light. But anyways, I got it for only $250 for a pack of 5. So that's all for this video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see more interesting random products from Xiaomi, I've just placed a bunch of orders and they're on their way now. See you next video. Goodbye.